Take out your science book. We're doing our review. Tomorrow is our science test. Page 31 in your science book. Page 31 in your science book. All living things are made up of cells. Plant cells have 2 more parts than animal cells do. The cell wall gives a plant cell its shape, and chloroplasts help the plant to make food during the process of photosynthesis. Number 1 says nucleus. What is the nucleus? Johnny? No. What is the nucleus? Chloe? The control center of a cell, so you should put a number 1 next to that one. Number 1, it says the control center of the cell. It's the big purple thing.
The control center of the cell.
What is the thin covering called, Troy? Cell membrane. So you put a number 2 next to thin covering. Number 1 is the nucleus. So we have our nucleus, right? Did I spell that really wrong? Yes. I know. Teachers make mistakes too. And then you have your cell membrane. Cell membrane. And then what is the jelly-like stuff inside of it called? The cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So that's number 5. Or number 4. Sorry, number 4.
No, that's number.
We're on these ones. 1, 2, 4. Now we haven't done number 3. We haven't got to number 3 yet. The tiny green things inside of the cell are called chloroplasts. The cytoplasm is the jelly stuff. The little green things are chloroplasts. And then the stiff layer on the outside of the cell is the cell wall. So you should have 1 going down on the left side of the paper. 1, 2, 4. Right side of the paper, 5, 3. Good? Thumbs up? Turn to page 32.
Last page.
32. Number 1. All plants are used only for clothing. True or false? False. You can put an F. That's fine. How about aquaponics need good soil in order to grow plants? Aquaponics. Aquaponics need soil? No, false. It should be false. 2 is false. Number 3.
Is one false?
Yes. Number 3. Pollinators carry chlorophyll to other flowers. What do they carry to flowers? Starts with a P. Pollen. They carry pollen. So nuts false too. No, it's false. 3 is false. They're not all false. Number 4, a botanist studies rocks. False. What does a botanist study? Plants. Number 5, some plants parts can grow new plants. True. Plants make food through photosynthesis. True. 6 is true. Parts of a flower include petal, stamen, pollinator, and ovals. Pollinator? False. False. It should be false. Yes. Write about the life cycle of a flowering plant. Include all 5 steps. Life cycle was on in page 27. Yep. When you are finished, tear it out. Staple the whole packet together. That's fine. You can bring your book and staple it. And then I have a game you're going to play with your friends.
Why did it say dad? He said it. Look. He said dad. What's the thing that then the plant? How do we spell the sprout?
Sprout? Just sound it out as best you can.
Wait, are you gonna grade spelling on this?
No, I won't grade spelling on science. You can include the cover so it has your name on it.